In this tutorial video, I'm going to show how to resize an image to use in WordPress. For example, this image over here, when I click on this, you can see this is 1.19 megabyte. Okay, so this is a very large image, and if you use images with size like this, your page load time will increase and it will slow down your website. And you can see this the other image beside it. When I click on it, it is only 61.7 kilobytes. Okay, so this is a huge decrease. So to do this, I used an editor, free editor called GIMP. Okay, I go to the website over here, and if I search on Google for GIMP, okay, and this is the one, GIMP, GIMP, and this is a free open source photo editor alternative to Photoshop, and this is free to download for um, Mac, Windows, or Linux. So I've used this on Linux and Windows. It works perfectly. And okay, so I'm going to use this to resize this image over here. So what I'm going to do, I'll click on this image which size is 1.19 megabyte, and I will open this up with GIMP. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I need to use this on a page. I'll show you the page. Okay, I need to use this on this page over here. If I open this up, you see that this is the width of the image, and it shouldn't be more than 500 kilobyte. Okay, it should be like around 500 kilobyte or less, 500 pixels or less. Okay, so this image is opening up in GIMP. Okay, so you can see this opened up in GIMP. So the very first thing which I'm going to do is remove this extra space over here. So to do this, I'm going to go to image and click on crop to content. This will remove the extra spacing. And another thing is I'm going to click on image again, and I'm going to click scale image. Okay, and for you see the width is 728. I can make it 650, okay, or 500 pixels. Great. And I will keep this X and Y resolution to 72. For digital print, you need 2 pixels per inch should be 72. Usually for print images, it should be 300 pixels per inch. But as we are going to use for it for a web page, it should be in 72. Okay, I'll keep this in 72 and click on scale. Okay. Then I'm going to click export as, and I'm going to say plumber dot free. Okay, I will name this. And another thing is that you see that PNG, the file image format is PNG. The PNG format takes up a lot of space. What I'm going to do, I'm going to change the format to another format which has much lower image size. It takes up much lower size. Okay, I will click on over here, select file type by extension, and then go down and select this one, WebP. Okay, and I click on export. Okay, and I can reduce the image quality to 85%, so it won't make much a difference. Okay, great. Now if I go and check this one over here, this is the plumber 3, this is the image which I saved, and if I click on this, and we see the size is on again 61.7 kilobyte, and the original one over here is 1.19 megabyte. So let me upload it to the website and show it to you. If I go to this media library, WordPress media library, if I click over here, then this is the one which I resized. If I drag and drop it over here, you see it uploads perfectly. Okay, you see it uploads perfectly, and it is a WebP type image. Before WordPress didn't used to support WebP type image, now it does, and it will easily support any type of WebP images. Great. So this is how you upload resize, reduce the size of an image using the free GIMP photo editor software, which is available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you did, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel.